Have you ever wondered why the quality of metals is of utmost importance in various industries, or how this purity is achieved? Well, the answer lies in a fascinating process known as zone refining, brought to you by DMX Technologies Inc. Zone refining is a technique that plays a crucial role in purifying elements, including metals like palladium. Developed by William Fan, this method focuses on the principle that impurities are more soluble in a molten phase than in a solid phase. It's especially effective in refining metals that have low concentrations of impurities. Imagine a rod or ingot of palladium, prepared with impurities scattered throughout. This is the first step in the zone refining process. Preparation. Next comes induction heating. A localized area or zone of the rod is melted using an induction heater or a similar heat source. This is where the process gets its name, zone refining. Once this zone is molten, it's slowly moved along the length of the rod. This step is known as the movement of the melt zone. As the molten zone travels, it dissolves impurities from the solid palladium and transports them along. Due to a concentration gradient, these impurities tend to accumulate at the trailing edge of the molten zone, a process referred to as the segregation of impurities. The molten zone then solidifies as it moves, leaving behind a region of purer palladium. This is the solidification stage. For an even higher level of purity, the process may be repeated multiple times, each time shifting the impurities closer to one end of the rod. This is known as making multiple passes. Finally, the end of the rod, now concentrated with impurities, is cut off. What remains is a substantially purified palladium rod thanks to the removal of the end section. So, in a nutshell, zone refining is a meticulous process that starts with a rod or ingot of a metal, and through a series of steps involving heating, moving, and solidifying, results in a substantially purified metal. This method is particularly effective for metals with low concentrations of impurities and is widely used in various industries to ensure the quality and effectiveness of the metals used. It's another testament to the wonders of science and how it shapes the world around us.